Rolling! Quiet po!
Quiet! Action!
Oro, sino nadali ron?
Boss, yung mga tawan ni Boy Tiklo, dalawa, napatay.
Naku naman. Akala ko tayo yung target nila eh.
Akala ko nga rin, boss eh. Buti na lang, pinuntahan ko. Nakita ko nga lang. Patay nga.
Mabuti naman ganun nangyari.
This is an independent film work. It's an independent work on the side of the filmmaker. Sometimes a self-support production, but however, today there are some production that have a big budget, that have a co-produced company or individual. Defining the word independent film as an individual who holds his own project by means of creating his own world.
Action, go! Action, go! Action! Dahil po!
When doing an independent film, it may not have a big budget, or no budget, low budget, but the caliber of the actors who played in the movie is higher than a big budget.
Ang pinagtataka ko, bakit parang alam nila na hinahanap namin sila?
Hindi kaya may nag-traitor sa inyo?
Ang ibig sabihin niya, sir, may traidor.
An actor knows his job, knows his character in the movie he or she portrays. Even if it is an independent film, there is no argument in being a professional actor to do his role. It is the same output to share the story to people.
O John!
O John! And action! Cut!